Welcome back. Now it's possible that you may want to display your own buy button when you're using WarriorPlus. And if you already have an offer that is set, you are going to go to your buy button code. We are now inside of a WarriorPlus offer, and we're going to choose a specific code. We're going to click Get Code. You're going to notice that there are three styles. There's the flat code, there's a clean code, which changes the nature of the buy button, and then there is a pixel code. You'll notice here that with the pixel code, you can use it in order to work with your own buy button. And what this will do is assure the proper crediting for affiliates if you're going to use your own buy button. So what we're going to do first is we're going to copy this code. What WarriorPlus says is you want to copy this code and place it near the top of your page. Now the next step will depend on the way your paging system works. We are going to use a specific page system. However, you're going to want to understand this process from the perspective of your page builder. We are going to go inside of the page settings. We're then going to go inside of the other scripts. What we're then going to do is we're going to add a new code. We're going to add this code to the header. We're going to place in the code. We're then going to save the new code. The code is now saved at the top of the page, and we're going to save this into the page. What we're now going to do is we're going to use the following code on our own button. So we're going to copy now the button code and we're going to click it. And for our button code, we are going to put in the link to this particular part of the code. Now again, this is really going to depend on how your page builder works, where you're going to place the hyperlink from WarriorPlus for the buy code. We're going to make sure and we're going to click Insert. Now what we have now done is we've now assured the fact that even though we're using our own code, the affiliate that promotes our product will get the proper credit for any traffic that they send to this page. We're going to save it and continue. You may notice that if you use one of the existing codes, for example, if you were to use the code for the flat button, and you were to add that particular code, you're going to see the image part of the HTML code. You're also going to see that there is the buy button link. And that would typically place the WarriorPlus code. However, if you were to look back at the particular code for the link and you were to place the links side by side, you'll notice that both links are going to be identical. However, what would have been missing would have been the code that we place at the top of the page to assure that the affiliate will get proper credit with the pixel. So you are going to want to go through the extra step of using the pixel code even though the buy button codes are the same if you were to take them from a buy button. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.